It's always a big deal when the legends come to town. This July 13th, Copa and Griot Production presents the Bad Boys, T.vice. T.vice come to Turks and Caicos for a legendary performance you don't want to miss. Saturday, July 13th, Turks and Caicos at 570 Bay Road, Blue Hills. With music by Universal T. Shiki, DJ Reno, DJ J Shin, and DJ Shakes. This July 13th at 570 Bay Road, Blue Hills. Admission is $50 in advance, $60 at the door. T.vice come to Turks and Caicos. Sponsored by Chez Blas Boulet, First Choice Rent-A-Car, M&L Tire Shop, Universal T. Shiki, Lux Rent-A-Car. Saturday, July 13th at 570 Bay Road, Blue Hills. For info, call 649-346-2674 or 649-244-2327. Be there.